Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can get an upgrade in the Linktree app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Linktree app. Then on the top you can see next to the share on the left side, it's almost in the middle of your screen on the top. Tap on upgrade, and here you can see you can select a pack, a starter, pro, premium, and by tapping on this little square you selected an option, and on the bottom tap on Get Pro. You have to review and agree. Tap on agree, and here you have to add your card, add credit or a debit card. You have to add your card number and then save it to your Google Pay or Apple Pay profile. Then tap on subscribe on the bottom. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.